pool. Ngata, let's go. Where's you gonna put the swimming pool, Dad? Ang laki daw. Tignan natin yung swimming pool, ah. Grandma wanna see the swimming pool, Dad. Oh, Grandma, Mother, please. Looks. Look at Grandma. Patingin nga, Mother. What happened to Grandma? Let's go find your swimming pool. Show Daddy. Okay, let's go. Grandma wanna see your swimming pool. Where is it, Jelana? Where? It's just the ladder. Where's the swimming pool? Binili ko pa yan sa Detroit. 300 lang kasi sa Costco doon sa Detroit. Ay, doon sa Detroit. Eh, dito sa Costco, 700. So, otherwise, yung papilit ko lang nga gatangan na uri no. Wow! 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 Ang galing ah. Nice. Ang ganda naman. Ay, siya na namili. Hello, Aiza. Oh. Ay. That's a big swimming pool. Yeah, I know. 4,000 pounds na tubig daw yan. Oh. Oh. Okay, again. Ready? Whoa. Whoa. Okay, let's go. Okay. What's that? That's a nice one. You did this one. I didn't know you finished this one. Yeah, okay, let's go see Jelana. Oh, really? Oh, he likes it? Yeah, that's really nice. Yeah, I like it. Jelana, you like it? You can walk, but it's not here. So what are they doing? Are they shooting what? Uh-oh. No, it's okay. It doesn't bug. Hello, Shalane. Jelana, do you want to do your zip line or no? You need your boots? You can do without the boots, anak. Oh, put it here. Here, put it here. Grandma, hold it. Diyan, pwede ka pa magtanim dyan, Mother. Kasi kung di mo linisin yan, magiging damo na lahat yan. Kung naarawan ba? Kung hindi naarawan, di wala din. Kasi pag ngayon maliwanag pa yan, pag malaki na, isuntutin linisin. Ready? Diyan sa baba kita, ma. Sigawan mo. What happened? Spider? No, it's okay. Daka na spider na. It's okay. Spider is fine. What is that? Hey!